Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to edit your phone number in Gmail. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process to update your phone number in Gmail on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the menu that appears, select Manage your Google account. Step 4. Now, click on Personal Info. Step 5. Under the Contact Info section, click on Phone. Step 6. Tap on your current phone number. Step 7. Click on the pencil icon to edit your phone number. Step 8. Confirm your lock screen by following the on-screen instructions. Step 9. At the bottom of the screen, click on Update Number. Step 10. Enter your new phone number. Step 11. Finally, tap on Select to save the changes. And there you have it. You have successfully edited your phone number in Gmail on your Android device. Your updated phone number will now be associated with your Gmail account. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy emailing.